everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you the new Gencrafts palette. They already have a 48 color palette and they now have the 24 color version. This palette comes with a watercolor pad that measures 3.8 inches by 7.2 inches, which is the size of the palette. For this demo, I'm going to be showing you their premium water brushes. The packaging contains a code for a 20% off your next order, which is awesome. And if you want to know more about the brand, make sure to follow them on social media. What is so unique about this palette is that you can take this part out and you can also take each band out, which allows you to rearrange your palette however you want. This is a great option if you want to take a couple of watercolors with you somewhere without taking the whole thing. A small sponge and 2 brushes are included. These brushes can be filled with water, and the palette also has a nice mixing area at the top that can be removed. Now I'm going to swatch all the colors using their premium water brush, which reminds me of the Arteza ones. They have a small button that says push and it releases a small amount of water every time you press. They are vibrant and there is a good variety of colors in this 24 set. I absolutely love the greens and the blues. I'm now going to demo these, painting in Acorn tree. Maybe this is very common for you, but this is the first time in my whole life that I've seen one. I've lived my whole life in the Caribbean and 3 years in Miami. About 4 months ago, we moved to Raleigh, North Carolina, and everything is new and exciting. We are surrounded by nature, and just recently I saw a deer, which was something I will never forget. It was just a beautiful experience. I have a bunch of acorns in my balcony right now and definitely got inspired. Fall is just here and the leaves are changing colors already. So back to the painting. These watercolors are really easy to activate and they mix very well. This is my honest opinion, and even though Gencrafts send me their products, these videos are not sponsored, which means they are not paying me to say what they want me to say. I just want to give you my honest opinion about the products. If you want to give this palette a try, I will leave a link in the description box where you can get it, along with their social media links. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do and be a part of my art journey. I love to share what I know with you, and also let me know in the comments what's your favorite season. Is it fall, spring? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.